stories at the top of the hour. SpaceX with all civilian-only crew orbiting planet Earth. For the first time in all mankind history, 4 common all-civilian people are orbiting planet Earth. Can you imagine it? This is a huge milestone in our history, and it is proving that space travel will soon be possible for all of us. These civilians are now gathering important information on how these travel affects the functioning of human bodies in space, effects of radiation, oxygen, etc. So far, they are doing well, as per recent communication with Elon Musk. Thank you buddies, and wish you all the best during your 3 days stay out there. Here's an update on our news on space. SpaceX tourists back to Earth. After spending 3 days orbiting the Earth, the tourists are back to Earth. SpaceX capsule splashed safely into the Atlantic Ocean off the coast, and immediately a SpaceX boat retrieved it from the water, including the passengers. Upon exiting the craft, billionaire Jared Isaacman, one of the crew, said, "That was a heck of a ride for us, and we're just getting started. Welcome back to Earth, and indeed this is the beginning of space tourism, which we all are expecting." For our last news, Canary Island volcano erupts. Cumbre Vieja, a volcano in the Canary Island of Palma in Spain, suddenly erupted, shooting ash and magma very high into the air, with streams of lava destroying many buildings down the hill. People have evacuated, but there's a considerable property destruction. The Spanish government is supporting its citizens during the time of crisis. We wish everyone around there is safe. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. This is Micheil for MW Newscast on latest news and update.